everyone. Today we are going to discuss Quarter 1, Module 1, and this is all about sets. This is prepared by yours truly, Mrs. April May K. Benitez, and I am your mathematics teacher in grade 7. Okay, so what I need to know. So what are we going to do, or what are we going to learn about this module? So the module contains lessons on Lesson 1, Sets, Lesson 2, Subset, Universal Sets, Null Set, Cardinality of Sets, and Lesson 3, Union and Intersection of Sets, and the difference of two sets. So after going through this module, you are expected to learn about how to define a well-defined set. Second, illustrate a subset, universal set, null set, cardinality of set. And number 3, analyze union, intersection, and the difference of two sets. Okay, so let's start. What I know. So since we don't have a face-to-face class, and this is only a recorded video, so you cannot interact with my discussion. So let's just answer this after we discuss all of the topics in lesson 1. So answeran tanin later on. Okay, so let's start now discussing lesson 1, which is entitled sets. Okay, so let's have first, what's in? So group and label the objects below according to their characteristics. Write your answer on a separate sheet of paper. So after you label and group the objects, answer the following questions. Why did you group the objects as such? Second, how many groups are there? Letter C, what are the names of the groups created? Okay, so since again, we cannot do an interaction with we cannot interact with each other, so let me just discuss it to you. Okay, so let's have first picture 1. This is a kind of flower, another, and another. So these are all flowers. So on picture 1, this is a flower of an anthurium. And we have picture 5, this is a flower of a tulip. And this one, picture 7, that is a flower of a gomamela. Okay, so those are flowers. Okay, so i-group na sila since by according to its characteristics. So these are all flowers. So ang tatlo ni, so gin-group na sila. And we have also, this one is apple, orange, and mango. So these are, of course, fruits. And we have butterfly and another kind of butterfly, pero wala man, hindi naman ni ma-determine kung ano kasi ng butterfly, basta importante, they are all butterflies. Okay, so balik kita sa question dito kagina. So why did you group the objects as such? So because gin-grupo natin sila according to their characteristics. Okay, and P, how many groups are there? So as you can see, ang grupo tatlo, which is flowers, fruits, and butterflies. Now, so ano pa ito? What are the names of the groups nga gin-create naton? Of course, na-mention ko na, flowers, fruits, and butterflies. So therefore, tatlo ka group ang aton nga na-create based sa instruction gagina. Since hindi man ta ka-interact sa isa kang isa. Okay. So what's new? So in the collection of objects below, which does not belong to the group. So diin diri sa apat ka object ang wala na belong sa ila. So of course, as you can see, we have shapes which are three-sided shapes, or we can say triangle, except one. And probably amo ni siya, of course, kay iya yung sides apat. So this figure here does not belong to the group. Okay, so that is how you identify it. Okay, so what is it? So let's now discuss kung ano ni siya ang sets. So the groups are called sets. So ang ginhimo ta kagina, di ba grupo ta sila according to their characteristics. So ang tawag na sa ila set. So, set may be thought as a collection of objects. Di ba, ginkolekta sila ang kada objects according to their characteristics. So, here, let's have an example, a set of mountains. So, damo kayo sa mountains. May ara mountains na may mga hilamon, may ara nga puro bato lang, and sa babaw may ara nga may lakot na. May ara na snow kay tungod niya, ara lagi siya sa babaw-babaw. Probably, ang mga kuwan sila, mga sand man na sila, galing kay tagas na. Okay, so a set of books, set man na siya, and also a set of buildings. Okay, so that is how you identify a set. Okay, so what about a well-defined set? So ano ni siya? So in mathematics, set is a well-defined group or collection of objects that share common characteristics. Ang isa ka set, hindi siya natin matawag well-defined set kung waay ka may nakita sa iya nga may common characteristics ang ina nga mga sets, or ang ina nga set, I mean. So, the objects contained in the set are called elements. So, ato kagina, kung nagbalik na to sa flowers to, diba, we have anthurium, gumamela, and tulip. So, ang tawag, di ba, flowers, set of flowers to sila. So, ang tawag to sa, ang mga elements to, amuna si anthurium, si gumamela, and of course, si tulip. So, those are elements. So, a set can be named using capital letters like A, B, C, D, up to Z. So, you can use any letters in the English alphabet to name the set. However, the letter should be written in capital. Okay, kay ganin kita sa set. So, dapat capital letter ang gamitin ta. And, we use braces. So, gin-enclose siya sa braces to group ang tanan nga elements na gin-collect naton. Okay, so, and, the elements of set separated by comma. So, ang ato nga elements dapat, kung maglista kita, it should be separated by a comma. Okay. So, if a set contains many elements, we often use 3 dots. And this 3 dots is called ellipses. So, kung maglista kita sa elements, hindi laman kayo kung kaisa, tatlo, duwa ang elements natin. Pwede gid kita ka lista sa elements nga sobra 100. Now, so damo-damo na. So, instead of listing all the elements of a given set, pwede na lang kita kabutang sang ellipsis to make it shorter. Kaya understood na nga whatever elements nga ara dira sa tatlo ka dot, which is the ellipsis, included na siya sa set. Okay? Note, in listing the elements of the set, each distinct element is listed once and the order of the element does not matter. Okay, so kung maglista kita sang objects naton, sang elements naton, it should be written once. Kaisa lang ta maglista. Hindi ta pwede madubli ang aton nga elements. Hindi na siya pwede. Sala na sa set naton, dapat isa lang. But, pwede kita ya ka-arrange ang aton elements bisan ano lang. Ang arrangement ta, wala ka. So, bisan hindi pa sunod as long as nalista mo siya. Okay?